We're out here in Split, Croatia, 7 in the morning. We are going on a 5-island speedboat tour today. We are going to the Blue Caves, 5 different islands. We're going to do a lot of snorkeling, a lot of swimming. It's the perfect weather to do it today as well. So find out why you need to make Croatia your 2022 summer destination. Alright, we've made it to the first island, BISEVO Island. Absolutely stunning looking, crystal clear blue water. Now we're on our way to the Blue Caves, so we jumped off our little speedboat to get on a smaller boat to go through the caves. Stoke level still there, boys? 100.
This is the front side of the cave. Light is coming through that sea and down that wall inside. That makes that blue shed.
We've just touched down on the second island of the trip. It's Kamitsa. This is where the second Mamma Mia was filmed because it was cheaper than Greece, and it was originally inhabited by the Greeks, which why Kamitsa means near Greece. And you can see from the architecture of all the different buildings, for the way they've set it up as a harbour town, that it's very Greek looking.
And fishing is actually a big industry here. So fishing, see all the fishing boats, and in the summer the island goes crazy with all the boats on the tours coming through. Look how blue the water is. Oh my god, the Adriatic Sea is beautiful. A little breakfast with a view. So the boys are just having breakfast. What do you have there, sir?
I've got a sweet paradise.
Oh,
we got the white girl brekkie going with the smoothie.
And we're just walking the streets of Kamitsa Island, and the architecture is beautiful. It's quite medieval, and obviously it has Greek influences. Thus the reason for its name. And yeah, now it's time to go back to the boat and check out the next island. Island. This is where we swim and snorkel. You ready, boys? The hype is real.
Late beats, this go crazy. 100. Hello pretty baby, my name's I don't mean to bother you. I just thought you looked like somebody I started talking to. If I had $1 for every time that I thought of you, I would be the richest man alive from just the thought of you. I like your face, a dose of serotonin, sun-kissed waves, and babe, your skin is golden. 13 ways to test some Danny Ocean. You my 10 out of 10, never my 10 enrollment. What's next? I guess I'll keep all this.
And we have just explored Hvar, and we're ending the vlog here today. The boat tour is finished after this, so we're gonna head back to Split. But it's been a good day overall.
Bit sunburnt. And we're saying goodbye to Max today.
Oh, we are.
Max has dropped some bombshell on us. He's hurt his back. Looks like he's hurt us even more. Yeah. He's out for the count, I think. Hey Max.
Bye bye.
Let's wave goodbye to Max. Bye bye.
안녕하세요. 안녕.